just sit here for a while, shall we? Because these,
Then you tried going to sleep, and then when you did that, she was like, oh, yeah.
I got hiccup burps really bad. Man, it's really starting to hurt my chest, my lungs. It's not fun at all. I mean, it's funny to everybody else, but when you're, bro.
When you're the one doing it.
Yeah, when you're the one doing it, it's not fun. It actually hurts, and
It happened to me one time.
I feel it in my chest. I feel it in my lungs. Let's just sit here for a little bit. Who else thinks I sound like a pterodactyl? Because our daughter thinks I sound like a pterodactyl. Hubby, aka Dad, says I sound like a pterodactyl. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, it's bad. Like, I don't know what I did. I went to go. Yeah, so here he is. He thinks I sound like a pterodactyl too. So excuse me. But yeah, so it's dinner time. I'm gonna try to eat while I have hiccup burps. But here we go. Wish me luck. Wish me luck.
Tell me about the hiccup burps. I can say the words for you.
But yeah, so hiccup burps aren't fun. Excuse me, especially when you inhale a lot of air and it's just. Oh my gosh, yeah, so that was, bro. It's bad. It's bad.
It's horrible.
Good luck to y'all if you have hiccup burps. This shit sucks. Yeah, so there it was. Okay, hiccup burps, hiccup.